What's going on, guys? Balkan Architect here, and today is Black Friday, which means that we're going to have some really good offers on balkanarchitect.com. The sale is going to last from today, so the 25th, all the way up to Cyber Monday, which is the 28th. Now, we're going to have some big discounts. First, for the subscription, if you decide to get an annual subscription, you're going to get $40 off of that purchase. So a yearly subscription, you get $40 off of that. And if you decide to get a lifetime subscription, you get $100 off. And I think that's a really good offer. So lifetime subscription basically means you pay only once and you get access to all of my courses forever. That's not only for the courses that I have up right now, but in the future, when I release any new course, you're going to get access to that as well. So I think it's a really good offer. It's a really powerful deal. Now, also, if you just want to get my beginner to intermediate level course and my intermediate to advanced level course, so that's like a bundle of two of my main courses that take you basically from a complete beginner all the way up to somebody that's an advanced level of Revit knowledge. Well, you can get both of those courses at 20% off, plus I'm going to throw in my architecture design template completely for free. So I think that's another really good deal that you can get. So if you're serious about learning Revit, if you want to start now, or if perhaps you have planned that next year, 2023 is going to be the year that you finally learn Revit, or you want to take your Revit knowledge to that next level, well, this is probably the best time to get the courses because the prices are, well, so low. So as I said, it's going to be available till Cyber Monday, so till the 28th. Make sure to get it before that. I'm going to be including the links to this just below this video in the description, and then also up in the cards above, so you can check it out and pick out what works best for you. And then, of course, I'll be back with another regular Balkan Architect tutorial on Monday. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.